Hi friend, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make electronic mosquito repellent circuit. This electronic mosquito repellent circuit is designed to repel female mosquitoes by emitting high-pitched sounds, almost inaudible to the human ear. If you keep on this mosquito repellent circuit in your room or living area, no mosquito will come there. To make this mosquito repellent circuit, the electronic components you will need: 1 kilo ohms resistor, 2.2 UF capacitor, 100 NF capacitor, 50 kilo ohms potentiometer, 8-pin IC base, 555 timer IC, buzzer, electric switch, and screw terminals. The next thing you will need, a small piece of PCB. I have ordered these PCBs on jlcpcb.com. If you are also interested, I will show you the complete ordering process at the end of this video. Now insert all the electronic components into the PCB, one by one, according to the circuit diagram shown on the screen. And solder all of them. After soldering all the required electronic components, remove the PCB from the third hand. Insert 555 timer IC into the IC base. And at last you will need 4 pieces of hexagonal copper spacer. Use all these 4 hexagonal copper spacer on all 4 corners of PCB to make a space between the PCB and the surface. This circuit produces ultrasonic sound, which is not hearable to human ear. And when female mosquitoes hear this sound, they run away. You can use this circuit in your room and the space where you live to prevent yourself from mosquito bites. And now it's the time to connect a 12-volt battery with the circuit. You can adjust the pitch of ultrasonic sound by rotating the potentiometer.
JLC PCB is the largest PCB prototype enterprise in China, and a high-tech manufacturer specializing in quick PCB prototype and small batch PCB production. Ordering PCB with JLC PCB is very easy and so simple. You should just create your Gerber file and upload to JLC PCB. Here you can order your high-quality PCB at a very cheap price. After that, you should just select your desired PCB color from different colors and select the quantity of the PCB. Here you can order 2 layers, 4 layers, and 6 layers of PCB at a very cheap price, just in $2.